Good morning, everybody. A little bit longer video here. Apologize for the walking. 2020 Pete 389. Look at that. I think it's a dark cherry red. We changed sides here. You're going to see in a second that it goes to a more of a black color. It's all about the sun. See it there. It's a sharp looking truck. Fresh Inframe just completed on it. X15 Cummins. I believe this has got it's got an 18 speed. I drove this truck a couple days ago. Frame's in great shape. Got good solid rubber. Nicely polished. Financing's available on all these trucks. We'll pop the hood here in a second. And good job polishing those up. Financing available, 678-466-9231 as always. We'll do a peek inside before we pop the hood though. Again, maybe 20 miles, 25 miles on a fresh in-house overhaul we did here. It's going to come with 2 years of warranty coverage on that, on the parts. Double bunk setup here. I believe, yep, fridge and everything else is back there. Sitting on, let's see where we're sitting at. 609 total in the frame. Got this one priced to move again. Let's pop the hood so you can see one more thing here real quick. This side's undone. It is. Air ride front suspension on this one. Kind of gets me when I drop the hood down. It goes a little lower than usual with that air ride. See that on there. X15. I believe this one's a 565. Yeah, 565 on that one. See everything there on that. Dual airbags up front. 678-466-9231. My name's Walt. Love to help you out. Plenty of trucks here at 70 Sales. Financing is available.